Okay guys, we're going to do an install bulletin on the wiper washer combo, part number 2883974. That's a Polaris part number. That is Gen 2 wiper. I'm going to explain to you a little bit about the difference between Gen 1 and Gen 2. That 3974 is the only part number that's available now. The thing is with the Gen 2 is there's a small bracket here that is supposed to mount in a small hole in the top of this wiper. Gen 1 had a washer outlet in that small hole. Gen 2 has the actual washer down in the hood. So what we weren't banking on having a mounting point up top. So all we're going to do is take these two bolts out, and we're just removing this bracket. Our mounting point is going to be in the large hole with this mounting point here, and that's going to get you plenty enough support to run this wiper system. We have a patent pending clapper activated washer, which is pretty awesome, I will have to say. And I'm actually just joking about the patent pending clapper activated washer. It's push button inside to get your washer wiper going. But it is really, really important, guys, that this is removed on that part number 3974. If that is installed in there and that's tightened down on that glass, it will crack.